Welcome to Cooking in English. Cooking in English. Cocinando en inglés. Cocinando en inglés. Cooking in English. Bienvenidos, welcome to Cooking in English. Today we are going to learn how to cook Colombian arepas. Hoy vamos a aprender a cocinar arepas colombianas. And for our nouns, sustantivos, we have our ingredients. White corn flour, water, oil, salt, margarine, and cheese. And our tools, we have bowl, cup, spoon, plate, spatula, stove, pan. And our verbs: to add, to mix, to wait, to shape, to place, to heat, to fry, to flip, to serve, to enjoy. And we use our verbs and our nouns within our recipe. And now, the recipe. You can see our imperatives. Puedes ver nuestros imperativos acá. First part, how to make arepa dough. Cómo crear la masa de arepa. 1. Add 1 cup of white corn flour to a bowl. 2. Add 1¼ cups of water. 3. Mix with a spoon. 4. Wait for 2 minutes. And then, entonces, how to cook arepas. Como cocinar arepas. 1. Shape the dough with your hands. 2. Place the cheese in between the dough. 3. Heat a pan to medium-high. 4. Add 1 spoon of oil to the pan. 5. Fry the arepa for 5 minutes. 6. Flip the arepa. 7. Fry for 5 more minutes. 8. Serve with margarine and salt. 9. Enjoy. Add 1 cup of white corn flour to a bowl. Add 1¼ cups of water. Mix with a spoon. Wait for 2 minutes. Shape the dough with your hands. Place the cheese in between the dough. Heat a pan to medium-high. Add 1 spoon of oil to the pan. Fry the arepa for 5 minutes. Flip the arepa. Fry for 5 more minutes. Serve with margarine and salt.